What if you could license my entire internet business system without paying any loyalty or license fee? And I'll even train you for free. And I'll work for you for free too. Let me introduce you to the CB Passive Income License Program, a truly revolutionary internet business in a box program that can generate a sustainable passive income for you. Imagine if you don't need to write or produce any content. You don't need to create any membership program. You don't need to develop any software. You don't need to create any products to sell. You don't need to come up with your own free offer. You don't need to write any sales letter. You don't need to pay for hosting or an autoresponder. You don't need to send emails at all. You don't need to provide any customer service or follow-up. You don't need to research for what products or affiliate programs to promote. You don't even need to learn internet marketing. Heck, with this program, you don't need to do anything except for one simple task. When you choose the CB Passive Income License, you will get an exact clone of my proven, successful business with the potential to generate a passive income through it. And we'll handle absolutely everything for you. So, here's how it works. I've invested in and created a very unique software system that allows you to make money using my valuable content and promotions. Basically, the software generates a unique link only available for you to use, where it'll send them to a secret web page to get my highly valuable software and course for free. And here's the most exciting part. After they've subscribed, each time an email is sent to them from the system, I'll have your affiliate link to the product that's being promoted so that you can earn affiliate commission from it. So technically, in essence, every single email that is sent out from CB Passive Income System will have the potential to make money for you. And you don't need to do any work at all because I am working for you, for free. It's like having me create content for you, do all the marketing for you, and continue to think of ways how you can make even more money. I'll continue to monetize the subscribers for you. And the good news is, you've already read my credibility. I've been in this business for a decade now and have thousands of customers all around the world. Keep in mind that this is true internet business that you can own. All you need to do is focus on one simple task. Give away online software for free. The task is simple. Just give away the free software through your unique link. You're not even required to sell anything to anyone. Selling is no-no here. I'll do the selling for you. I'll be the bad guy. The good news is, when you get the license, I'll also train you how to promote your unique link effectively. Inside the program, I have prepared the training to teach you how to get traffic from all kinds of methods, including social media and paid ads. You'll be promoting on the internet, not emailing to your friends. Once you've fully set up, you'll be able to use my software to get yourself started and access all of my training material. And you'll not be required to pay for any license fee, ever. This is by far a very rare opportunity presented to you to clone my entire marketing system to generate affiliate commissions.